Okay, we're live. So we get the live chat up on here. I don't know if you guys can hear me properly, because I'm outside. It's a bit of a different location from usual. Hello, Alex. I just thought I'd come on here because I've had a lot of questions from people about this jailbreak, like how do I fix this, how do I fix that, and I'm gonna try to answer as many questions as I can in this stream. So if you have any issues with your jailbreak, just ask me out on this stream. So, oh, by the way, we've got new merch here. Well, not new, but it's I ordered it the other day and it arrived, which is cool. I don't know why it's not loading chat up on here. I'm gonna try. Oh, by the way, I've got my device here that's jailbroken. You guys can't see that, but I've installed a few tweaks. I've installed Cylinder. I installed Fluidity, which basically adds like iPhone 10 gestures to your iPhone, which is super lit. So let me grab the live chat real quick. I've also had questions of people asking me when is the top 10 iOS 11.3.1 jailbreak tweaks video dropping. That will be dropping in the next few days. I'm just trying to install all the tweaks I can, and try to. And I'm trying to actually get as many tweaks as possible on a list and like condense it down to 10 and then do more videos on them. So, then after I install the IPA, what do I do? Sorry, I'm new to this. After you've installed the IPA, every time you reboot, just re-jailbreak using that IPA. You won't have to sign it or anything. That's the beauty of that. So my YouTube app keeps crashing on this jailbreak. Well, that's weird. I've got the YouTube app open right now and it's working fine. Try to delete it and re-download it, or maybe you may have a tweak actually that is actually a YouTube tweak. Maybe you have YouTube D or something and it doesn't work. So, hello Lucas. You changed your logo again. You keep changing your logo, mate. Okay. Can you jailbreak games? What do you mean? You can download tweaks for games. That you can do. Oh yeah. It's coming home, guys. I'm using iOS 11.1.2. Now I want to jailbreak iOS 11.3.1. Is that possible? Yes, if you have SSH blobs saved, and if you don't have an iPhone 8, 8 Plus, or a 10, because if you do, unless you're using an iPhone 8 Plus and you don't care about Touch ID, or you're using an iPhone 10 and you don't care about Face ID, then you can upgrade using blobs. But you need to have your blobs saved. I don't know if you may have them saved. If not, there's no way of upgrading to 11.3.1. What's your favorite tweaks you have installed right now? Oh, Fluidity. Fluidity is the best jailbreak tweak you can get on a non-iPhone device. I absolutely love it. It's like you can add every single gesture that's on the iPhone 10 is now on my iPhone 6 Plus. So it's super cool. Reachability isn't the same though. Oh, no, it doesn't. So when I install it, just go into the Electra app and press jailbreak, or do I have to reboot the phone or be in airplane mode? Oh, okay, so basically how it works is you download the IPA, which I showed you guys in the video that I posted earlier today. You download that, and that's basically the Electra IPA. That is the developer version, though. So basically, if you download it from the Electra website, to sign it using City Impactor, you'll actually need a developer account, because the developer exploit is actually stronger than the non-developer exploit. So that's why that's why I used the method I used in my tutorial, because I tried with the non-developer version. That does not work. So I do not recommend you guys use that. If you do have a developer account, then you can just get it from the Electra website, and that's what I recommend doing. But if you don't, then actually use my method to install the jailbreak, because you're going to install Electra, the developer version of Electra without a developer account, which is great, and it will just work like the regular Electra, but you won't have to re-sign it every 7 days, which is another cool thing. So it'll be signed for like a couple weeks, maybe even a year. That's what they said on the website. So I mean, I just heard a couple of you guys suggest to use that. And yeah, the method, Lucas was one of the people who actually shared it. There were 2 or 3 that shared the exact same method. They were like, use this because this one works. thought we had 30 people on for a second. No, that's 10. But yeah, that's that. Every time you reboot, you will actually have to re-jailbreak and you use that app, basically, Alex. So basically, Alex, what you've just done is you've deleted, or what you should be doing, delete the old Electra IPA, download the new one. You don't have to reboot or anything. You don't have to reboot or anything. But when you do reboot and you, or for whatever reason, then you will have to re-jailbreak using using that Electra IPA. I don't know why the screen on my iPhone 10 just dimmed, but it's just weird. Okay. What's going on here? Is it even connected? Yeah, it is connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, let's catch up here. So, no respring issues. Yeah, this jailbreak will not have respring issues. Hopefully. Fingers crossed it won't have respring issues. I haven't had it respring once on my 6 Plus, so it's fine. I've also installed the jailbreak on my brother's iPhone SE, so I'll be actually doing videos on both of those, and hopefully I'll also be getting a replacement iPhone 10, because the one I have now has started overheating again. The one I had before overheated and stuff, and right now I'm on iOS 12, so I'm actually happy to get a replacement, because I may actually get a replacement that's on iOS 11.3.1 or below, which would be perfect, because that will mean I can go back to making videos on my iPhone 10, so that's going to be awesome. And I'm also going to switch, of course, between the 6 Plus and the 10, and also my brother's SE if I need to use the SE for whatever reason. So install it, then just go into the Electra app and tap jailbreak. That's all, just double checking. Yes, exactly. That is exactly it. Wait, let me reread that just in case. Yeah, when you reboot, though, you won't have to do it now, because you're already jailbroken. Is there a tweak to make my phone feel faster? I don't know if speed intensifier works. Actually, I may try it in a second. Speed intensifier is a tweak that I do recommend to speed up your device. That's the only one I'm aware of that actually worked on iOS 11.1.2. I'm not sure if it works on 11.3.1 though. I have Cydia, but Electra still says enable jailbreak. Did you use my method for jailbreaking? Because if you did, that will actually have a 70% chance of actually working. Because if you use the Cydia Impactor thing without a developer account, then it will take you... Someone told me it took them 150 tries. So, yeah, you don't want to go down that route. Someone else also has been trying for like 8 hours straight, trying to jailbreak. Using the method I've got, it took me like an hour to get... The other method didn't even work. I tried an hour and it was like, I give up, and I went to bed. And then this morning I woke up and people were suggesting to use the method that I shared in my video, and that worked like after 3 tries. On my brother's iPhone SE it worked first time, so it just depends on that. Okay, so make Cydia buy again doesn't work, so you can't purchase tweaks yet. Yeah, you can't purchase tweaks just yet, but I'm sure in a couple of weeks we may actually see that be a thing. But Cool Star Surprise is not here yet, and that is going to resolve all those issues. I'm not going to say anything else, but it will resolve all of Cydia's issues. So I'm not even... Let's just say out with the old, in with the new. That's the only clue I'm giving you guys. So this seems more stable than the old Electra, apart from installing it in the first place. Yeah, I mean, once you've jailbroken, it's fine. I've not had any issues. One issue I have had though is with when I actually... Wait, what was I gonna say? Basically, the only issue I've found is when you actually install repos and stuff and sources, it takes a long time. I don't know what's up with that, but I'm gonna unplug this because this is... Bear with me, guys. The audio might change. There we go. The audio's changed, and I'm gonna plug it in because it's gonna die. My iPhone 10's gonna die soon if I don't plug it in. Anyway, yeah, it has a hard time adding repos and stuff. I don't know what's up with that. It may be fixed in the next Electra update or in one of the tweak updates in Cydia, but I don't know. Okay, so jailbreak is not working because it's quit Electra. What do you mean the jailbreak is not working because it's quit Electra? What? Is there one to close all apps at one time? Again, this is a new jailbreak, so tweaks, you have to wait for tweaks to be updated because they don't get updated right away. Some of them work already because they have been working on 11.1.2, and they also do work on 11.3.1, but there's a lot of tweaks that actually don't work on the latest version. So, yeah. Whoa. Why is my phone just frozen now? There we go, it's back. I don't have the Electra app on my phone. Wait, do you have... Is it like a grey icon with Electra underneath? Because if that's the case, then it's normal. Mouse tech, you could use Easy Switcher at 10. Yeah, you could use Easy Switcher X or 10, whatever. You can use that. I replaced the loading thing to Steven's vlogs. What loading thing? My phone is jailbroken, but Cydia won't show up. Any ideas how to fix it? Someone actually said to use the UI cache, which is basically you have to go onto a computer or download the... I don't know what it is. It's an SSH... no, not SSH. SSH thing. Program, and you actually use a line of code, and it will actually work. So I'm not sure about that. I haven't tried it because both devices I've tried this jailbreak on, Electra installed first time. I mean, I had to use the Electra on my 6 Plus because I accidentally deleted Electra, not Electra, Cydia. So I had to use the Electra. So someone actually asked me if the Electra still works. It does on 11.3.1. Yeah, it's not installing tweaks for me. It did that for me as well. All I did was just use the Electra, and then I reinstalled Electra, then it worked. So I don't know. My phone. Oh, actually no. Update all of your tweaks because that's another reason why they may not work. If Cydia doesn't show up SSH. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, my phone feels slower now. Yeah, I mean with a jailbreak you do have a couple of trade-offs. So no, nothing there. Try to reinstall it then. Yeah, it might be extender, yeah. Barmoji's not installing for me, but I see other people using it. What repo are you using, K-Finesse? What about the remount, the roots remount error? Just reboot. No, actually, just close the Electra app and open it up again and tap jailbreak again. If that doesn't work, reboot. So do a hard reset, hold the power button and the home button at the same time. If you're using an iPhone 10 or 8 or 8 Plus or one that doesn't have a physical home button, then it's volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. I think on the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus though, it's just hold volume up and power button together. I did reboot, didn't work. Huh, that's weird. Get CyberDuck and SSH into your device. Yes. Carl, you didn't break your iPod Touch 6th Gen. Last thing you showed me was you actually did manage to restore it. So, or did you actually break it using SSH blobs? Okay, we're all caught up here. So, I don't see Electra. What's happened? It doesn't even show up in settings. Just try to reinstall it. If it doesn't show up, just reinstall it. Someone added to their stories. Okay. I'm using Barmoji and it worked fine. Okay. Carl, what do you mean you bricked it? Does it just not turn on or anything? I'm gonna use the Electra to unjailbreak my iPhone, then jailbreak again using the multipath. I'm not 100% sure what that is, but yeah, sure. Give me 1 second, guys. I need to quickly go and get something. Okay, there we go. Now I can see. Yeah, now I can clearly see the phone. It's fine. Okay, and I can see the chat because the sun's in my eyes, and also you don't see that I'm looking into the viewfinder. Anyway, reinstall it from your video or from Tweakbox. Use my video because Tweakbox, they put a load of ads on Electra, so don't use that. When plug into, it turned with connect to iTunes logo thingy. That doesn't mean it's bricked. If it shows that, then just restore. That doesn't mean it's bricked. If it's bricked, it means it won't turn on at all and it's just dead. So it's as useful as a brick is. That's why they use the term bricked. Hey, Snap Plus works now. Don't use Snap Plus. I've used it a couple times, and yeah, I got banned every single time. So don't use it. I don't recommend using Snap Plus. You'll get banned from Snapchat. Even though I don't use Snapchat that much anymore. You might have to update it when restoring it. Wait, update what? I can't remember. Okay, anyway. Actually, something cool that I found out when I actually jailbreak my 6 Plus is that all the tweaks I had on my iPhone 6 Plus actually showed up on the 6 Plus as soon as I jailbroke with 11.3.1. The tweaks that I had on 10.3.2 actually showed up, which was pretty neat, I think. I don't know if it was the same with you, Alex, that all of your tweaks from the 11.1.2 jailbreak showed up. That may be the case, or maybe not. What do I do, bud? It's saying I am... It's saying you're what? Is it Electra 11.3v0.0? There's 2 versions. It's the second version. My dog is sniffing my cat for some reason. Leave him alone. I don't know. Yes, MP is yeah, okay, then use multipath. Yeah, that's that. It already says jailbroken, but it won't work, and I do not have a PC. Try rebooting, as I think Lucas said before. Try to reboot if it doesn't work. I'm still jailbroken without Electra app, so it just install the IPA and tap jailbreak. That's it. No, just install the IPA. That's it. When you restore, then you tap the jailbreak, because if you tap jailbreak, it'll say already jailbroken. So it doesn't really make sense in going into the Electra app and just jailbreaking. Okay, I've been trying to use Electra all day and failed. When I saw your video, within 10 minutes it's done. I used that link, thank you. You're welcome. That's exactly why I made the video. That's exactly why it took me so long to make the video as well. Because last night, it was like 2 in the morning. I was trying to get the video up because I wanted to get this jailbreak working. And I was recording it. I recorded the video for like 20 minutes because I kept trying and it wouldn't work. So I was like, I give up. I'll wait till tomorrow morning. Maybe there will be another method that will actually work, or maybe the Electra team will update the jailbreak to actually work better. And yeah, it was good to wait. This morning, as soon as I woke up, I got to making the video. It's just that exporting took a long time, and that's why I uploaded it a few hours ago. But I mean, it works. This jailbreak works now with my method, so I'm glad it worked for you, because a couple of people actually told me they got in a boot loop for some reason. I have no idea what they did to their devices, but it got into a boot loop, so I don't know. Anyway, Cydia not appearing. Just try to reboot and try to re-jailbreak. That's what a lot of people are suggesting to do, because I haven't had that issue. Jailbroken, but not showing up with Cydia on my iPhone. Yeah, do that again. I cannot re-jailbreak. Why? Just reboot and jailbreak. That's... What do you mean you can't... Okay, when you say you can't re-jailbreak, what do you mean? Give me a bit more context to work with here. Do I hit trust? Yes, you do. You have to trust the application. My phone is covered in glue. Help. Why is it covered in glue? What have you done to your phone? Please help me. Donald, I don't know how to help you. You haven't told me what your issue is. I can't help someone if you don't tell me what your issue is. Oh yeah, Cydia doesn't show up. Just reboot and try again. Is the Electra app supposed to be white, like the logo? Yeah, it's supposed to be white if you used my method. The method I shared. It's not my method, but I just call it my method. If you use that, then that's normal. I don't know why there's no Electra logo, but who cares? It works. Your accent is a mix of Southern English and American. Well, actually, I live in the north of England. That's the weird thing. And I was born and raised here, and I've got a half American accent because I grew up watching American TV pretty much, so that's why I do have an American accent. Hopefully I can get 3D touch on my iPhone 6. Actually, that's a great... Yeah, use Peekaboo. That's a tweak that I may actually feature in my top 10 tweaks video. Actually, guys, what's your favorite jailbreak tweak so far on the 11.3.1 jailbreak? Let me know, because I'm trying to make a list here, and I'm still looking for some good tweaks to actually put on the top 10 list. Reboot in what way? Hard reboot. Hard reset, reboot, whatever. Do that. I tried your method, but I can't do it. Did you install the MPS, is it? Multipath version, or did you install the other version? Did you install the version I installed? Because that's what some people actually have done. It's saying share Electra. Reboot, I said. Reboot. So hold that power button and the home button at the same time, wait for the Apple logo to show up, and then try to jailbreak again. Share lecture means it's successful. Yeah, but he hasn't got Cydia showing up, so that's his issue. I think, Steven, I think I should make you a mod, because you're helping a lot of people here. So I can delete extender. Yes, you can if you don't need it. Lock Plus Pro. Actually, I need to get Lock Plus Pro again because I need to reinstall the repo and everything. If Cydia isn't showing up, look up on YouTube how to use CyberDuck SSH into your... Yeah, do what Lucas said, guys. Do what Lucas said. If the rebooting doesn't work. Look on Twitter, update coming with bug fixes. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, okay. So Tweakbox have actually added the jailbreak using multipath, so you can now use Tweakbox, but I don't recommend using Tweakbox because, you know, they have ads, so don't use them. Use my method, the method that I shared. Yeah, I did. What did you do? If you reboot it, try what Lucas said. If Cydia isn't showing up, look on YouTube how to use CyberDuck to SSH into your phone. Use it to open terminal and type UI cache, and Cydia should be there. There's also a post on Yalu Jailbreak. It's a big website with a lot of jailbreak help on there, so I recommend going there. 2 out of 3 happens, then Cydia not appearing. Reboot and try again. I keep saying this. If it doesn't work, use the SSH method. Thanks a lot, fam. Okay. Benji, when you do the top tweaks video, please include the price and repo. That helps a lot. Yeah, I mean, I have been doing that. The last few ones, the last few top 10 tweak videos I have made, I have included the price and the repo. So I will do the same as I always do, and I'll include it all in the description because sometimes prices do change, and I can change it in the description, but I can't change it in the video. So I'll do it just like I normally do and just put the prices and everything in the description. I'm trying to get all the, I'm trying to put as many free tweaks in the top 10 jailbreak tweak videos. Well, the top 10 jailbreak tweak video. Then I'll do the 10 jailbreak tweak videos, other videos, things. That's not good. No, there we go. Now I can see a bit better. Oh man, that's weird. Okay. Anywho. So, oh whoa. Okay. Putty SSH. Yeah, you could also use Putty to SSH into your device if you don't have... No, actually, I do recommend using CyberDuck because CyberDuck is better. Just do send command instead of opening terminal. Thanks. Okay, you're welcome, Alex. If no Cydia, SSH using laptop. Exactly. Yeah, or you could also use it. You could also do it with your phone. Apparently, there's a method of doing it with your phone. Son, can you please move behind the tree so then you don't blind me? We've been having so much sun here in the UK, it's just weird. And also it's coming home, so the World Cup is coming home. I need repos, but some work and some don't. I know, yeah, some repos don't work for some reason. It's weird. We should just wait a couple of days and those will be sorted out, maybe even weeks. Don't need CyberDuck to SSH on a Mac. Oh yeah, you can use terminal, you're right. It is kind of easier to get into the SSH though, because you don't have to put in all the code. Well, no, actually, now that I think of it, it is easier to using terminal. Yeah, use terminal. I need repos, but some work... Yeah, okay, read that. Yeah, but it has a easier UI for beginners. That's why I'm saying CyberDuck. Yeah, I know it is. What's YouTube Tools? YouTube Tools basically adds like... I made a video on it. I think it's... It allows you to have like YouTube Red feature... No, not YouTube Reds. YouTube Premium features without buying YouTube Premium, basically. So... the video still plays in background, etc. Yeah, exactly, yeah. That what Lucas said. It worked perfectly for me. I now have YouTube Premium, so I don't really have that issue, so... But if you're one of those people who wants to get it, then you can. Okay, works fine for me right now. To watch this. Okay, cool. HTTP forbidden... Why? Where? In Cydia? In Electra? On your computer? In the sky? Where? Okay. Can you guys still hear me if I'm over here? Can you hear me properly? What is it? 5. Okay. How to get terminal. Go walk into an Apple store, buy a MacBook, and then use it. If you already have a MacBook, then you save $1,000. Hello, Chubby Donut. Benji, am I good for a year? I don't have to re-sign or anything. Just use my phone normally. It may not work for a year, but it may work for a year. It may work for a couple months, and you'll have to reinstall it because Apple sometimes just unverifies applications randomly. But if it ever does stop opening, just reinstall it the way that that I showed you guys. But there actually are a couple jailbreak tweaks you can use that will actually work for. Yeah, there are a couple of tweaks you can get to actually stop apps from being revoked. There we go. That's the word. Are you aware that Friday the 13th is next week? Well, I'm in the UK, so we don't really consider Friday the 13th as a day of bad luck. So, yeah. Insidia. If you're getting it Insidia, I don't know. It may be your Wi-Fi. I'm not sure. Actually, let me move my phone closer. If I move it closer. There we go. Nicely closer. Okay. So now you guys can hear me better. Someone that said iPhone 8 Plus not working. If your iPhone 8 Plus is not working, then just buy a new one. I'm so stressed out. Don't be. It's just a phone. Come on. No need to be stressed out for a jailbreak. It's fine. We've been waiting for so long. Waiting a little bit more to have a stable jailbreak is fine. I trust your top tweaks more than any other YouTuber. Yeah, because the problem with a lot of YouTubers is they test the they go onto Cydia, they just download random tweaks and they try it and they're like, oh, this is cool, and then just feature it in a video and they don't actually test it for a couple days and see if they actually work. So what I'm gonna do with my top 10 jailbreak tweaks video, I'm gonna actually film it on Monday, so then I actually get some time to actually use the tweaks I've got, and I can actually be sure that these tweaks actually work, because there's a few of them that don't work, that I don't feature because other people say it works and I try it and it doesn't work. So I try to test the tweaks fully before any other issues occur. I bought a developer account for £7. How? So if it stops signing after 7 days, just delete that Electra app and reinstall again. Yeah. It shouldn't. You shouldn't have to do it every 7 days. You have to do it like maybe once every 3 weeks, sometimes more, sometimes less. It just depends on Apple's like signing thing. What's the thing that stops it from being revoked? I can't remember the tweak name. There's definitely a tweak though that will work. I'm not sure what it's called though. So yes, what I did to get it to work: turned on airplane mode, turned off the device, and restarted and pressed jailbreak. Yeah, well, basically what I did, I just did what I showed in my video. That's exactly what I did with my 6 Plus and with the SE. So Rocket for Instagram doesn't work; it crashes the app. Again, Alex, not all tweaks are working for iOS 11.3.1. Some may work, some may not work. So we just have to wait for the developers to get on it and update their tweaks. I know there's a couple of developers that are already on it. A couple of developers have also already updated their tweaks for 11.3.1, but it will take a couple of days, maybe even weeks, for actually developers to update their tweaks. So I don't recommend installing all the tweaks you had before right now, because it will take a while. Does anyone know if there is a tweak to get 11.3 animojis on an older iPhone 10? There actually was a tweak from Spark. It wasn't really a tweak, but it was a way to port the animojis over to 11.3.1. But like, what do you mean? Oh yeah, because you're not on 11.3, are you? There's a way. Just go into, if you support Spark, the developer Spark on Patreon, you'll actually have access to his Discord server, and you'll actually be able to ask him, and he'll give you the link, I think. He was working on beta 2 last time I heard of him, but, well, last time I heard of it, but, yeah. And it was still a beta. There's a couple of VPNs that stop revoke without a jailbreak, which I'm using. Okay. Then, Lucas DM Alex, or Alex DM Lucas, and sort that out. Got 7 people on. Then I crack your device. Then I crack your device lied. He said it works. I mean, again, well, not again. Jailbreak tweaks don't work on every single device. Some of them may have issues because of another tweak that's conflicting with it. So, I mean, sometimes even my tweaks, some people tell me that they don't work on their device. But most of the time, people say it does work. So, yeah. I mean... Is it how they're Tony? Huh. What the heck? Can you please rephrase that? I have no clue what you just said. Benji, will you release the top tweaks on Monday? I just need a repost that works. That's all. Yeah, I think I'm gonna release 2 videos on Monday or something. I'm gonna start working on them later. Actually, I'm gonna head off the stream in like 5 minutes because I want to go and watch the Russia-Croatia match of the World Cup. But I'm gonna drop a video for the top 10 tweaks on Monday, and I may also do a top 5 or top 10 repos. Because I'm still trying to figure out which repos work and which don't. So then I can actually make that, and also tweaks. So, lol, how is the weather, Tony? My name is not Tony. And what do you mean, how's the weather? So, why aren't you using your iPhone 10? Well, I'm using my iPhone 10 for this stream, but the reason why I'm not using it for the jailbreak videos is because it's on iOS 12. But I actually am going to the Apple Store next week, and I'm going to get a replacement for my iPhone 10 because it keeps overheating. So I'm going to take my iPhone 10 there, and hopefully they're going to give me a new one that's on 11.3.1 or below. If not, if it's on 11.4, I'll just say screw it and just use iOS 12. It's just like, it's going to be kind of hard to like reinstall the apps one by one because I can't restart from a backup. Do you ever play online gaming? What do you mean, like, what do you mean, do I ever play online gaming? I play Fortnite, if that counts as an online game. I play Battlefront 2 sometimes online. Yeah, I do play a few online games. Stream the creation match. If I did, then I would get a copyright strike again, and I'm already on one copyright strike, so I don't want another one, because that means my channel can be terminated. If it gets 3, then it gets terminated, and that's it. So, I don't know how long they actually last, copyright strikes. I think 6 months or something, or a year. And how do I know when to reinstall the Electra app? It won't open. You go to open it, and it won't open. That's how you know. Is it hot or cold? It's hot here. It's the UK and it's warm in summer, which is weird. So it's like 25 degrees, I'd say, right now. Maybe even 20. I'd say 20. There's a little bit of a breeze. Are you going to downgrade your phone to 11.4 so they don't say it's overheating because of the beta? No. I'm not going to tell them what version I'm on. I'm going to force them to give me a new phone, because if they don't give it to me, if they don't give me a new phone, because the overheating also happened on 11.3.1, so I'm going to tell them that, because I'm going to try to find my way into getting a replacement. I will get a replacement, okay? That's because it also has the back of it squeaks as well, or clicks, or whatever you want to call it. So that's another issue I have. So I will get a replacement for my iPhone 10. Even if I have to argue with the guy at the Genius Bar, I'm going to say, I paid $1,000 for this thing. I want it to work. I want it to work perfectly. I want it to have no flaws with it. And this one has a couple of flaws. It has the overheating and also the squeaky back. So I'm getting a replacement. No, I'm not even gonna like doubt that I can't get one, because the people in the Genius Bar, they have to believe what you say. So I could also say, like, my phone flew out of my hand and it fell on the floor, like it just bounced out of my hand. I was just laying it flat, and they actually can't say that you're lying. So you can get a replacement if you even say, you know, I bought it, I opened it, and the screen was cracked. They'll actually give you a replacement, which is kind of dumb, but yeah, that's a great game. PS4. No, I play on PC. Buddy, I will DM you on Twitter about something cool I found. Okay. I don't know if you're talking about me or you're talking to someone else. Is the 11.2.6 jailbreak out? Have you been living under a rock all this time? Yes, it is. Just go onto my channel. I've got a full tutorial on how to jailbreak and stuff. I open it and it says share Electra. So that's good, right? Am I? Yes, that's good. If it says share lecture, that means you're jailbroken. But you might have to SSH if Cydia isn't there. I think Alex, I'm pretty sure has Cydia already installed. I had to do that and it works now. Okay, I have no idea how to use CyberDuck. Look up some YouTube tutorials and learn, because that's how I did it. I had no idea how CyberDuck works at first. I watched a few YouTube tutorials and then, wow, now I know how to use it. It's kind of hard to use it. So, did Coolstar fix the issue where you install Anemone and Snapchat doesn't work? Is it all good now? I have no clue. I haven't installed Anemone yet, and I don't have Snapchat on this device, so I have no clue. I'm going to have to test all that in the next few days. Chubby Donut, you already said hi before. If you're not going to say anything else, then just stop saying hi, please. Every time I try to re-jailbreak, says my phone, amphibian patch. Say what? Wasn't I have no idea. New update coming now, guys, to fix everything. Hopefully it'll fix everything. If it doesn't, then that's gonna be sad. Oh, okay, amphid patch. If that happens, reboot and try again. I got that a couple of times, and I rebooted and I tried again, and it worked. Or just close the app and open it up again. That also works. Can you teach us how to use it? I did make a couple of tutorials on how to use it, but I don't have the actual tutorial on how to activate Cydia, because I haven't had that issue, so I can't really show you guys how to fix that issue, if you know what I mean. If I do encounter any issues with the jailbreak and I find a way to fix that issue, then I will make a video about it. I'm using Lotus on Anemone. Okay, cool. If Snapchat works, please let us know. I don't know if you use Snapchat. Should I test it, or is it a risk? I don't think it is a risk. I mean, it's not going to destroy your phone or something. How do I get Electra to go to 2 out of 3? Mine's stuck on 1 out of 3. Did you use my method? Did you use my video to jailbreak, or did you use someone else's? Because if you used, like, the Cydia Impactor method, that's not going to work. You can use my method, or you can actually use Tweakbox if you don't mind ads. So, Benji, I can't install any apps from the App Store. If you can't install any apps from the App Store, that might be because you have the, like, revoke thing on. I don't know. Actually, let me see if I can install apps from the App Store. Because if it affects mine, then that's going to affect everyone else's. So let's install Snapchat. Oh, Snapchat's already installed apparently on here. Okay. Let's just install some random app. Let's go into my purchased. I'm just going to install some random app here. Okay. Fortnite. Let's install. Actually, I want to see if there's a way to get Fortnite on IGTV. Let's install IGTV. Okay. It seems like it's installing. I'm just going to let it install, and then I'll keep you guys updated. Major, will the developer of Make Cydia Buy Again work? Because if not, how can we purchase certain tweaks like color banners? Have you already purchased it? Because if you sign into Cydia, then you'll actually be able to download all of your old purchased tweaks. But I don't know when the developer will update Make Cydia Buy Again. I could try to DM him, but I'm not sure who he is. So if you know if you have the developer's Twitter, then please DM me, Alex, and let me know. I'll hit him up and be like, yo, some people were asking me when you're gonna update your tweak and stuff. Donald, I can't make videos for everything and everyone. I'm trying, but I can't make every single video you guys want. That's not possible. Also, right now, it's just me working on the videos. I don't have anybody else working for me. I do have a friend that has edited one of my videos and will edit a couple more videos in the next few weeks, but, yeah. Bye, Android ASAP. No, thank you, Mousy. Thank you for watching every single video, by the way, Mousy. Even though you keep commenting by Android ASAP. Because I already bought Android, so stop saying that. What do you do if Electra says enable jailbreak, which makes Cydia not crash, but I still have Cydia crash? So, yeah, I'm on the second step, but I don't have Cydia. Wait, what? You just said Cydia, how do you make Cydia not crash? And then you said you don't have Cydia. It's like, what? Well, what are you trying to say? Do you have Cydia installed or not? That's the question. Apps work for me. Okay. Yeah, this IGTV seems to be installing for me as well here. I'm not having any issues. Oh, nice. These gestures are so cool. I signed... Oh, wait. Okay, hello, Raymond Ray. He says, I'm seeing DPKG errors and can't delete install any packages. I'm getting error USR. Yeah, Sido. Try to uninstall Sido. The repo. I don't know. There is actually some issues with some repos, so I'd recommend just deleting some of the repos that aren't the default repos, and you should be good, because that happened on my iPhone 6 Plus as well, and I fixed it. So I signed in, but only certain tweaks are there, not all. Huh, that's weird. I think I'm going to have to restart my iPhone. Okay? Good luck, Lucas. Hello, Hamza. Welcome to the stream. Benji, what happens if my phone turns off? What do I do? Just go into the Electra app and just re-jailbreak. It's simple as that. If it doesn't work, then put it on airplane mode and clear all of your apps. Try again. If that doesn't work, then try to actually clear the RAM. I'm not sure how you can clear the RAM on the iPhone 10, by the way. Still trying to figure it out, because I've never done it on my iPhone 10. I think I might have done it once, but I forgot how to do it. Oh, so I don't have Cydia currently, but it says I'm already jailbroken. Use an SSH, and there's actually a tutorial on Yalu Jailbreak, the website Yalu JB Jailbreak, whatever. Just go on there, and there's a tutorial on how you can fix that. I think everyone's left now. If that's the case, I'm gonna leave and just go and watch the World Cup right now. Apparently I paid $3 to Patreon. No idea why. Okay. Awesome, thanks, man. No problem. Oh, I love these gestures. Look at that, guys. You can just swipe up. It's just like the iPhone 10. It's amazing. SHSH blobs I have. Okay, Yoda. If you have SHSH blobs, you can tell me. Wait, are you the guy who wanted to downgrade or update? Because there are. What device do you have? It's Hotsa. Please let me know what device you have. I need aerial and color binders too. Wait a couple of days, Alex. As I said. Yes. iPhone 6s Plus. Okay, then look for a tutorial on how to update from iOS 11.1.2 to 11.3.1. So okay. So do anyone of you on the stream right now have any other issues before I go? Have you links? I could share you a couple of links, but I can't right now because I'm on my phone and I've got another phone here. So I'll have to do that later if I remember. So please don't forget to actually go ahead and DM me on Twitter and I'll send you that. Eat something. Benji, what's the tweak that you know when you swipe up and down on the settings? It has an amazing... Cask. I've actually got it installed on the iPhone 6 Plus, and I can confirm it works on iOS 12. 11.3.1, not 12. Whatever. Alex, if you want me to eat, please super chat. I can go to the kitchen right now and get something to eat. So super chat and I'll eat some garlic bread. There we go. Dude, I just got the jailbreak. Thanks so much. My birthday's tomorrow. Happy birthday, then. And I'm glad you have your jailbreak working now. Enjoy your tweaks. I've got a couple of videos, by the way, of some tweaks. So stay tuned for them, because I'll be showing some pretty cool tweaks. So the SSH, do I use that app and type in 22222? 2222, never mind. And root and Alpine or something else. Yeah, it's the same stuff as the last jailbreak. Don't leave us, bud. Well, if nobody's active on the chat, I'm gonna have to leave because I have other things to do. I have videos to make for you guys, so I can't do like 5-hour live streams like Viper does. That was my birthday present. Glad to hear that. 2 out of 3 happens again and again. Can you please remind me, because I've had so many questions here. No, don't leave. This is really helpful. Well, yeah, but there's not many people that are coming on right now. Oh, wait. I have so many tweaks installed, it's unreal. Let me know if you want my tweak list. Wait, so you have a lot of you can give me some working tweaks. Are they the tweaks you had from the last jailbreak or not? Because, actually, Carba, if you want, just DM me on Twitter. The link to my Twitter is in the description below. Then go ahead and actually give me your tweak list. That'd be cool. It's called iTerminal. Yes, use iTerminal. That's one thing you can use. Okay, I search Cask and it says it's not supported on iOS 11. Ignore it, just install it because I've got it. It's on iOS 11. I've got it, it's working. I had it working on 11.1.2 before as well, so it just works, even though it says that. You're a cool guy to listen to. Thank you. Fully stable iPhone 10 11.3.1 hasn't crashed once. Sounds good. If it hasn't... Yeah, my 6 Plus hasn't crashed once either, which is great. This is probably the most stable jailbreak in terms of, like, after you've jailbroken. If we were talking before jailbreaking, no, nah. Whoa. So many people have been following... You gotta follow me on Twitter. Nice, okay. Okay, so... Because whenever I use it, it fails to connect. Huh, that's weird. There is another port you can try. I think it's port 22. So maybe try that. I don't know if that works. Love having it not respring. It's pretty cool. Let me quickly check my DMs, guys, here, because I've had a couple of DMs from people. By the way, if anybody wants to support the channel, you can go ahead and super chat, and I will also guarantee see your question, because I think I skipped a couple of comments before. I'm not 100% sure. So if you super chat, you'll actually have a higher chance of me seeing your message. Oh, okay. Guess what is replaced with? So, P.20WND, or whatever his name is, he says that they're currently packaging the new update. So, the second version of Electra will be actually out. So, that's great. New update is getting packaged. I recommend update. Okay, cool. Yes. Okay, we've got 2 messages here. So, we've got... Sorry, I DM'd from the wrong Twitter. Okay. I've just accepted these requests. Okay, anyway, let's go back here. So I'm going to check the Twitter DMs a bit later. I'll take a jailbreak that has a lower success rate, but is more stable inside the jailbreak. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, same here. I absolutely feel you, man. Because you're only going to have to do it once, and then every time it reboots, so it's not really that many times. If you had to do it every time you unlocked your phone, that would be a bit of a hassle, but... follow your Twitter. Okay, thanks. Thanks for following me. Should I update to the new Electra when it releases, even though I'm already jailbroken? Yes, because it will be more stable when we reboot, hopefully. When will it be out? And it could happen. It's now. Okay. Coolstar just tweeted it's now available. I'm not going to try it right now because my computer's upstairs and I have to go upstairs and set up the background and everything. But yeah, guys, it fixes an issue where sometimes the nonce generator is not set correctly. Okay, so it really doesn't change that many issues. I don't think it will add more reliability. Okay, so what do I do after I install the IPA? Nothing. Okay, so, sorry guys, I'm just replying to a couple of DMs. Spark servers, code, .uk/, there we go, okay. Help someone. Nice. So, where are we here? Coolster just released an update. I just saw. I've just told you guys. Please send me a link here. Wait, who are you talking to? Who's that? Wait, I think I might have missed some stuff in the chat here. Wait. What? Oh, never mind. I've missed a massive comment here, I think. Okay, so on the 11.1.1 jailbreak, I wake up every morning and my phone would not be jailbroken anymore. This morning, it was still jailbroken. That's great. Where's the new Electra at? The new Electra is on the Electra website. So if you want to have it re-signed every 7 days, then use that. If not, wait for the link that I shared before in my video before to be updated. Because as soon as that's updated, then all you have to do is just delete the Electra app, install it using that website, and you're golden, basically. Okay. Hello again, Chubby Donut. About the SHSH blobs 11.1.2 to 11.3.1. Just search it up. There's a bunch of different tutorials, and the way you know it's legit, look at the like to dislike ratio. What are you drinking? I'm just drinking sparkling water in a bottle, so yeah. You need to stay hydrated while you live stream. Okay, someone updated to 1.0.1. I think Electra 1.1 will be better. Okay, Tweakbox has actually updated Electra to 1.0.1. So, if you want to use a non-computer method, just use Tweakbox. I'm sure a lot of you have used that. Can a Sprite phone have Fortnite? A what? Thanks, bye, have a nice day. Okay, you two, it hot some mix videos. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna head off if nobody else has any issues here that they need help with, because I want to go watch this match. Actually, let me see what the score is while you guys come up with more problems that you need solving. Hopefully, I've helped a lot of you guys. A what? What phone? I have no idea what phone you're talking about. Anywho. Okay, it's still 0-0. Okay, that's okay. I think everyone's less. When will you be back? What do you mean when I will be? I'll be back on Monday. But Monday, actually, I want to do a cool live stream on Monday, with all of you guys basically. So I'm gonna do a Google Hangouts. I'm gonna like post a link in the description or send it to a couple of fans of you guys who watch my videos, and you can actually come up and just have a chat with me as if you're having a Skype call with me. So that's how I'm gonna make the stream on Monday, because I did one yesterday with a bunch of other YouTube creators, and it works. So it worked. So I'm gonna do it on Monday with you guys instead. Do I need to update the Electra app? Just wait until that website just updates the application. Actually, they may have already done it, so let me quickly check here if they have already updated that. Ignition. Okay, it's quickly loading the website here. Loading assets. It takes a little while to load the website for some reason. Anyway, okay. Okay, they haven't done it yet. Whoa. Just wait like an hour or two, and they'll probably update it. My terminal is still failing, even using port 22. Is there another method I don't know about? Use CyberDuck or terminal on a Mac. Can a Sprint phone have Fortnite? I have no clue. I don't even think Sprint makes their own phones. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure if they do sell phones, then I'm pretty sure you can't remove Fortnite on that. It says error on Electra when I press jailbreak. Just try again. Just close the Electra app and try again. It says error. Oh yeah, I would love to do that. So yeah, just all of you have to be ready on Monday though, with like a cool background. And also, one of the rules is this channel is family friendly. I try to keep it all clean and PG over here. So yeah, that's the rule. If you do actually like use profanity or swear or anything, I'll have to kick you off the stream. So that's just one rule that you guys should be aware of. Anyway, that's that. Okay, so. Do we have any more questions here? Any more jailbreak issues that need to be resolved before I head out here? Because I am missing the whole first half of the match because you guys needed help, so... Also, Alex, I can eat something on the stream, and this is one of the only times I can, because I'm right next to the kitchen, so please, super chat and I will eat something. Did you jailbreak the iPhone 10? No, I didn't jailbreak the iPhone 10 because it's an iOS 12, so... I am getting a replacement for it next week from Apple, though, so that's gonna happen. The jailbreak on the iPhone 10 hopefully will happen. Benji, why are you so awesome? How much? $10 is fine, yeah. If you donate for $10, then I'll go and eat something and eat it on the stream before I end it. I've actually been going for an hour. I did not expect to do this live stream. I just like 5 minutes before the live stream. I had a bunch of people say, can you help me with this? Can you help me with that? And I was like, you know what? Instead of replying to all of these DMs, I'll just do a live stream and help you guys on the stream. And hopefully I have helped at least one person on the stream. Or at least the 10 people who have liked this video. Live stream, not video. It's still a video, yeah. Video live stream. By the way, you can copy yourself the merch in the description below. It's also got me on the back, which is lit. This is really helpful, you have no idea. Well, I mean, if I could do more of these streams if more problems do crop up and I can't help you guys. It's just that I can't do them all the time. I can't, like, 1 week live stream and just have tech support and that's it. Because a lot of people have the same exact issue, and replying to every single direct message, DM, whatever you want to call it, is quite hard. So it's not the simplest thing to do in the world. If you guys like these kind of live streams, I'll just keep doing them. Why is my dog barking? And why is the neighbor's dog barking? Anyway, I actually got a comment here. Whoa. I got a couple of comments to reply to. Anyway, guys, if we don't have any other people here, I'm going to go ahead and go. In your opinion, how long do you think this Electra app will last for? I think it'll last a couple of weeks at least. I just don't know how to like set a date by when it may happen, because I had a couple of apps that were from Tweakbox, and or Tutu app, and they lasted a month. So it depends. It depends on the developer, and I'm anticipating it to work for like at least 2 weeks. So, if that was your kind of question, I'm not sure. Anyway, we've got 3 people now on the stream. I think I'm gonna head off now, so because nobody else is having any issues, or I may just push to an hour. There's 2 more minutes. Hello, Logic Gamer. You're here. I think you were here before as well. I can't remember. I've seen you before somewhere. Okay. So when you have to re-sign, just delete it and reinstall it. That's it. Yes, exactly. Just delete the app, reinstall it with the same from the same website, and you're good. Let's check if Ignition have updated their app. Not yet. Sorry about my dog, by the way, guys. He just barks at the other dog, at the neighbor's dog all the time. It's kind of bad. Anyway. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to head out now because we're reaching an hour. Thank you guys for joining the stream. Hopefully I managed to help a couple of you guys with your issues. This video you made does not have the updated Electra, so I am using the IPA. Yeah, it does have the updated Electra for now. It'll have it in a couple minutes, a couple hours. So I'm just going to wait until that comes out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this stream and you haven't already, be sure to smash that like button. Smash that like button if I did help you. If you have any other issues, you can always hit me up on Twitter and I will try to help you the best I can. It's just that doing live streams is easier because I can actually interact with you via voice and video, basically. So we're having people coming on at the very end of the stream. Well, that's nice. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all of you who have tuned in. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new around here. Got plenty of content coming soon. Don't forget to also ring the bell so then you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can get to my videos early and you won't miss an upload. Alex, what? Why do I have to wait? Alex, tell me why I have to. You're gonna donate. Okay, go ahead. I'm just gonna stare at my cat just jump down the fence. Jumping down. Okay, yes, $10 and I'll have to eat. Fine. Go ahead. Stop it, please. Come on. Oi! Dog wants food, I think. I don't even think I notified people on Twitter that I was live. Let me quickly go check. Oh wait, got a question here. Are they going to stop making tweaks for the old update? What? No. The tweaks will work for 11.3.1 regardless of what jailbreak you have. Even if you have a completely different jailbreak, it'll still work. Alex, it's taking you a while. Okay, I'll try it when I get home. Someone sent me a photo. Hey, photos. Like the old Electra. No. Well, you mean like the super old Electra? You mean the first version of Electra or something? The 11.1.2. Took me 3 hours to get Electra working. Took me 3 hours. Okay, don't worry about it, Alex. Anyway, I'm gonna head off. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys on Monday's live stream, I guess. So, I'll catch you guys later. My name is Benji from BenObi Tech, and I'll catch you guys in Monday's live stream.